What a coincidence! The hotel where I stayed during the Riyadh International Exhibition Center had a view that perfectly highlighted the importance of the vacuum insulated curtain. Let's see how. This is the room where I stayed. It had a beautiful window, but to reduce excessive heat, exterior claddings were installed outside the window to block direct sunlight during the daytime hours. This cladding is permanently fixed on the exterior facade. This is the nighttime view from the same window inside the room. The lights are on, but the outside view is no longer visible. So I switched off the lights to experience how during the night we can no longer see through the window. After all, the whole point of having a window is to enjoy the outside view. But with exterior cladding permanently fixed to block excessive heat during the daytime, that purpose is lost. It was justifiable until now with the new revolutionary innovation of the vacuum insulated curtain (VIC). We bring back the purpose or true purpose of windows, the view, while still minimizing excessive heat from the glazed windows. In cities with higher cooling loads and glassy or glass heavy buildings, vacuum insulated curtain helps keep indoor space cooler by slowing heat gain through windows. Traditional curtains in places like Riyadh often look good but offer inadequate insulation, although it is also suitable for cold and hot climates as well.